What is tax? Hello everyone. Let me introduce my name. My name is Farhana Widyadhana. I'm from University of Jember in study program of taxation. I was given an assignment by my lecturer to make a video about taxes, which explain briefly about taxes and what I have learned about taxes. First, I will explain about what tax is. A tax is a mandatory fee or financial change levied by any government on an individual or an organization to collect revenue for public works, providing the best facilities and infrastructure. The collected fund is then used to fund different public expenditure programs. If one fails to pay the taxes or refuses to contribute to us, it will invite serious implications under the predefined law. The main purpose of taxation is to accumulate funds for the functioning of the government machineries. No government in the world can run its administrative office without funds, and it has no such system incorporated in itself to generate profit from its functioning. Be it an individual or any business or organization, all have to pay their respective taxes in various forms. These taxes are further subcategorized into direct and indirect taxes depending on the manner in which they are paid to the taxation authorities. The implementation of both the taxes differs. We pay some of them directly, like the Queen's income tax, corporate tax, and wealth tax, etc., while we pay some of taxes indirectly, like sales tax, service tax, and value-added tax, etc. Direct tax. The definition of direct tax is hidden in its name, which implies that its tax is paid directly to the government by the taxpayer. From the government's perspective, estimating tax earnings from direct taxes is relatively easy, as it bears a direct correlation to the income or wealth of the registered taxpayers. The next is indirect tax. Indirect taxes are slightly different from direct taxes, and the collection method is also a bit different. These taxes are consumption-based that are applied to goods or services when they are bought and sold. The indirect tax payment is received by the government from the seller of goods or services. Well, there are 4 R's of tax refer to the key benefits that flow from taxation. The first R is revenue, to fund public services, infrastructure, and administration. Taxes raise money to spend on roads, schools, and hospitals, and on more indirect government functions like market regulation or legal system. This is the most widely known function. And the second R is redistribution, to curb inequalities between individuals and between groups. Normally, this transferring wealth from the richer section of society to poorer section. The third R is repricing, to limit public bets such as tobacco consumption and carbon emissions. The last R is representation, to build healthier democratic process, recognizing that higher reliance of government spending on tax revenues is strongly linked to higher quality of governance and political representation. The last, anyway, one tax and the other work pretty much the same, but the rates depend on which province or territory you live in. This money goes to schools, healthcare, transportation, and low-income assistance, plus many other uses that your government determines. Yay! Thank you for your attention, and see you in the next Simon. Bye!